Okay guys, welcome back guys. How you doing today? It's Sanni Olumide here again today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you two things in this video. Number one is the Yaba train station construction update, and number two is the update on the Yaba overpass bridge here in Lagos. I will appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Hey guys, it's a raining day in Lagos, but I am here out all me to film this for you guys because I know you guys need to be updated. I need to show you guys the latest updates about everything happening in Lagos. So if you got value for this video, do well, feel free to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. Yaba train station is part of the Red Line Rail project here in Lagos, Nigeria. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the construction update of the Yaba train station and Yaba Flyover bridge. If that is what you want to know more about, you are at the right place. I will appreciate if you hit the like button. Thank you. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Sanni Olumide. I'm a content creator based here in Lagos, Nigeria. I have the opportunity to have filmed many train station construction process in Lagos, starting from the Red Line rail station and the Blue Line rail stations as well. I have created a playlist of all the train station construction process. I will share the link in the description of this video. I will appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I will be sharing with you everything you need to know about the Yaba train station in this video. The Yaba train station is also part of the 37-kilometer rail project here in Lagos, which is also part of the Lagos Rail Mass Transit project. The Yaba train station will also serve as one of the stations on the Red Line rail corridor. Today it is raining in Lagos. As you can see, it is raining seriously. So but I said I want to film this, and I'm out here already, so I need to film this for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, why don't you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment in the comments below. And don't forget to keep on watching this video. The Yaba train station is also very close to the Ebutemeta train station. Yaba train station is also going to connect to other Red Line stations like the Oyinbo train station, Mushin train station, Oshodi train terminal, Ikeja train station, Agege train station, Iju train station, and Agbado train station as well. Some of the stations are completed and some are still under construction. So let me know if this is feasible for completion before the end of the year. Let me know in the comment section of this video. Mind you, the Yaba train station and other stations on the Red Line corridor will share track with the Nigerian Railway Corporation track that run from Lagos to Ibadan. Yaba train station and other Red Line stations are part of the integrated multimodal transportation system contained in the Lagos State Strategic Transport Master Plan. Hey guys, I am on top of the Yaba overpass bridge here in Lagos. This bridge is going to connect motorists coming, for example, motorists coming from Jibo. Behind me is Jibo Axis of Lagos. If you're coming inward from Jibo Axis, on top of this bridge you can connect to Ojuelegba Axis of Lagos, and if you go straight down like this to my left hand, you can connect to Ebutemeta Axis, Oyigbo, Sabo Axis of Lagos. So this bridge is completed. As of the time, this bridge is completed, and this bridge is not yet commissioned, but everything about this bridge is completed. So what they're still working on is the train station. The train station, there's still work going on the train station. So that is the second thing I'm going to be updating you guys about in this video. If you like this video, do well to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And thank you for watching, and keep on watching this video to the end. Thank you. By the time this station and other Red Line stations are completed and commissioned, the level of traffic in Lagos and on Lagos-Abeokuta Expressway corridor will reduce drastically. Example of it is the Blue Line Rail. People living around Lagos-Badagry Expressway and its environment now make use of the newly commissioned Lagos Blue Line Metro Rail, which is more faster to get to Marina from Mile 2 by train. Talking about traffic in Lagos,
That is why there is need for flyover bridge around train station to avoid all kind of rail car accidents. The Yaba Flyover bridge is completed at the moment, while some other station flyover bridge is completed as well, except some that are still under construction. The Yaba train station has a pedestrian bridge and a flyover bridge. When completed and commissioned so that people don't need to cross the rail track, people can just please make use of the pedestrian bridge to avoid all kind of accidents. Please, safety first before anything. We love you all.
Yaba, so this is the Yaba overpass. This bridge is completed. It is completed. Everything, almost everything about this bridge is completed. The pedestrian attached to it is completed, but the work is still ongoing on the Yaba train station. So those are the two things I'm going to share with you in this video. If you like this video, do well to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comments below. So guys, thank you for watching this video from beginning to the end. If you learn anything new or you get value in this video, why don't you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.